Welcome back to another video, y'all. We got a very special surprise right here. I'm actually gonna be working on one of my best friend's truck. He picked himself up a tonneau cover. What year is your truck, Dar? Oh, this is Dar, y'all. Say hi, Dar.
Hi.
2024 GMC Sierra?
Sierra.
Yep, that's his tonneau cover right there. Stay tuned, we'll show you guys how quick and easy. Well, I'm hoping it's quick and easy. So right now, Dar is basically prepping the area that he's gonna be putting on the 3M tape. But it came with this, like foam tape. It's gonna sit right here. Basically, Dar's cleaning up the area right now so it sticks better. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Basically, it's like that. Dar's about to grab the rails right now.
L for left, so this way?
L's for left, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be L for driver's side, so like, yep. And then it's gonna be, we're gonna get the clamps. It's gonna clamp right here, like this. But there's little spots right here that you can put that on. Yeah, so let's go ahead and slide those over to your desired area. So one's gonna go right over here. That should be good. Mine's not perfect.
I'm a perfectionist.
Okay.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Well, you have to remember your rails, your bars that goes across too. So take that into consideration how you want it to. Just gonna be the right side.
Or they mate.
Nice. It's like they thought about the consumers. Hopefully, we get this right. First try. It's gonna
like that.
Yeah, it's gonna select that.
Okay, so.
Cause you want to make sure your tailgate's closed too. So yeah, yours pretty much should be the same. Mine goes all the way over here.
That's what I said too.
So yeah, so this thing is gonna sit like this.
Oh, you're talking about oh, you're talking about the cushion?
Yeah.
Okay, so this stops here.
Yeah.
Okay. That's hot shit.
Hold on, give it a second. Yes, sir, right there. Let's make that straight as possible now.
Oh, motherfucker.
Ah, what the hell? There's not one single strip?
It is.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Let it rip.
Oh, your tattoo looks nice on screen. I think you went cricket, bro.
It's too late now.
Yep, so the cricket was gonna work. We're gonna cut extra part off, so it'll be alright.
You're alright.
Be alright. So this is a hardware for the. Oh, I know what this piece is. This goes to the corner. It goes to the corner over there, yeah. Or corner right here, I think. Maybe the corner right here.
Was it?
I don't know. I can't see.
Was it?
Like that. Yeah, sir, like that. Yep. So it also comes with a light. That's pretty cool. So that's gonna go into a little hole right there. And all you gotta do now is just screw it in, tighten it up.
I'm just gonna line up with this one over here.
Alright, Jackson. Go watch Calvin go.
That is for you. Look at this thing. Oh.
Got it?
Look at hi. Hello.
6 clamps, right? That's called 6 clamps.
Yeah.
Basically do exactly this to all 6 of them. And if you're not sure where to put the clamps, it comes with, I'm not sure you can see it, these little rubber pads right there. Yeah.
Let's get the other clamps. We'll do it the other side over here.
Yep. So just gonna go ahead and clamp, tighten it all down. I gotta read where this part goes. Okay, me and Dara, we're thinking that this goes right here. Cause my truck has the exact same thing on this side too. So the very front of the rails, they don't have these rubber pieces right here. The front one doesn't have it, so I think we're gonna tighten them all down and see how they look. I'm just watching this guy. Make sure your partner is out of the car, out of the truck bed. Oh, just make sure your partner is out of the truck bed before you lay down the tonneau cover.
I'm old, so I can't jump like this.
We're old and short. You might as well stay over there. I'm gonna get this side. Just pull it across. Yes, sir.
So let's see.
Oh, that's what that little screw is for.
Are you missing one or no?
Yeah, I'm missing a screw up here too.
I don't have one here.
Only have one?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah, I got one right here. Oh, okay, guys.
How many screws do we need? 2?
So these two right here. So let's see if the sun can allow me to do this. So focus. So there's a screw right there that we gotta place right here.
Mm-hmm.
This goes into here.
Okay.
Yeah, and just slide it in. Alright, we're gonna do some minor adjustment. Hold on. Yeah, nice. Pull it out, do it.
No. No.
Show me, pull it out, do it.
No.
Pretty much all it is now is just line it up, get it straight, get it to a preference as you want it, and just make sure the bed of the truck can close, and when it closes it makes a nice seal. It makes a nice seal, so yeah. Let's get that done real fast. All Dara's doing now, he's tightening up that little screw that's sitting right there. It's gonna lock it in. Oh. Do the same for the other side.
Where did you go?
How you lose the Allen key twice?
Okay.
You lost my black one.
So I have to go a little bit over here because there's a.
There. This is locking in.
Alright.
Alright, we're now on the driver's side, and the gap pretty much closed. It's flush now. There you go. Cool. Alright, this is the last one right here. Cool. You want to make sure these things are tight down as much as possible, because the force of the wind while you guys drive is going to be beating that motorcycle. Yeah, the force of the wind while you guys are driving is going to be beating down onto this tonneau cover, and sometimes the wind can go inside. You don't want this whole thing just lift up and take off on the freeway. Sitting on the tonneau cover like that. Doors rolling in the back. Push down.
Push down.
Yep. There we go. Nice. Okay, now we know where to put the things. Here they are. Alright, let's test out the release latch. Yep. Oh. Now this last piece right here, that's it.
Oh, I didn't clean it though. Alright, so does it line up like this? The same way as the top one?
Mm-hmm. Same way, yep. Yep. The top one has the exact same thing. So it's like that. Cool, good stuff, there. Go.
Ayo. Ayo, Kama.
Yep. All right. See you on the next one. Bye bye. I'm gonna blow out your license plate too. Don't worry. All right. That's how you install a tonneau cover for a 2024 GMC Sierra. And I appreciate y'all. See y'all next one. Bye. Beep beep. Beep beep.